Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Week 4, day number 4. And it's funny, after last night's video, as far as finding the time to work out, I found myself doing my workout early this morning, which is what I prefer. And what I want to talk about today is the dangers of the all or nothing mentality. And that is, I understand that halfway through our 4th week together, it can be easy to fall off track. It can be easy to be a couple days behind. And this is the vulnerable period where a lot of people have an all or nothing mentality that says, well, if I can't finish it all, then I'm not going to do anything at all. And that's a really, really sabotaging mindset. It keeps us from doing what we can. It keeps us from getting back on track. It diminishes the value of small steps and baby habits, mini habits, all the momentum, all the consistency that we built just by doing little things each day. And so I want to challenge you to have more of a something is better than nothing mentality. And what I mean by that is having an adopting the mentality that you're always doing something, you're always doing more than the person who's doing nothing, right? So if you can only get through, if you don't have time to do a full workout, but you can do a couple exercise box rolls, excellent. It kind of goes back to giving yourself credit for the attempt, the feeling of completion. So even if you don't complete everything, knowing that you did something is going to take you a long way than having an all or nothing mentality that says, I have to do this 100% or I'm not going to do anything else at all. That is what I wanted to share with you today. It is week 4, day 4. That means this exercise box today. I got loaded up with some lunges and squats again. I don't know. I think my dice are loaded. I'm starting to think I rarely get push-ups this week. But anyway, you guys have a good one. You guys are awesome. I'll see you then.